Here in the video, we are going to talk about the Wii U error code 160-2215. The error reads, "An error has occurred. Please press and hold the power button for at least 4 seconds to turn the console off." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. The error comes during different instances such as booting up the console, launching the eShop, or starting a game. In some cases, it appears right after the startup screen, and other times it occurs while trying to launch a specific game. According to the shared information, the error may be caused by file corruption, NAND failure, or hardware issues. It can also be triggered by a faulty USB device if the game is stored externally. If this is the first time you encounter the error, first thing we suggest, simply turn off your console and then turn it back on. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes and it happens on boot, then unfortunately it may be due to hardware issues. In this case, please reach out to the support team as your device might need to be repaired. If the error appears when launching a game stored on system memory, then this could be a sign of NAND failure. In that case, stop installing games to the system memory and see if the error still comes. If you still get the error and the game is stored on an external USB, then the issue might be with the USB device itself. So try using any other USB device or try installing the game on the internal storage and see if this helps. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.